What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's a super exciting one. I get to meet up with my buddy Thomas, who I work with, and we're gonna do like a cool cinematic shoot with the Z. Try to catch some rollers if I can, but mostly a lot of like still shots and like, you know, some drive-by stuff. Maybe some internal shots and all that kind of stuff. As you can see, I start off the vlog as usual. Car looking a little dirty. Gonna have to go take her to a wash. Not gonna shoot too much of that as like you know, I always do some car wash stuff for you guys, so I don't want to bore you too much. This is the first time I'm using the new GoPro Hero 8. For myself, at least it's new. Obviously, I know they have a 9 and a 10. I did go with this one for a few reasons though. One of them being this is the first GoPro that introduced not having that case around it to put the attachments on it. So it's much more sleek and slim and way easier to access the battery and the SD card, or swapping any accessory you want. Like for example, the mouthpiece is in right now, or if I want to switch it to the handheld grip or like a suction cup mount or something like that. Another one being because it also has Hyper Smooth 2.0, so it's basically that auto stabilization feature that got a little bit better. And another reason is because it's also the first one that introduced the media mod, so I can put that extended external mic on here with the nicer LED light, because you guys know I do shoot at night a lot, and it's nice and adjustable. It's super bright. I already messed with it. Don't really need it for now because when it's really bright outside, this thing is perfect on its own, nice and slim. But definitely at nighttime, or when I want to do a higher quality shoot with low lighted footage, like sunset, stuff like that, I will definitely be using that, or if I'm in like a parking garage, anything like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this quality. I'm really excited. So far, so good. I just watched the clip on the back of this already, so it did look pretty cool. It was kind of confusing. It has you shooting like slow-mo, and then you just basically press it off and then it watches it and not that. And I think it's because I have the 120 frames on right now with the 2.7K resolution. I'm shooting in, I believe, wide or linear. I'll double check and I'll let you know in a second. Okay, so I am shooting in wide. I just checked for you guys. And yeah, so the car's almost done washing. Sorry, it's kind of loud. All right, guys, this is gonna be the first shoot outside the car in the GoPro 8 here. Just got out of here. It's not perfectly dry apparently, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit that a little bit. Then I'll just quick detail it a little bit later after it's like fully dry. Get the wheels nice and looking pretty, tire shine, and she'll be all ready for the shoot. I just gotta stop at Best Buy real quick, and I gotta grab a bigger SD card. I am running out of space for making a lot of this content, so I'm gonna hit up another 128 or 256 gig 4K one. It's perfect for these things. Definitely recommend it. It's got really fast transfer speeds for if you're trying to upload it to the computer. And just like that, she's all clean. Here's a quick walk around one more time. Damn, it came out good. All right, let's get on with the video. All right, I just realized when I did the walk around, I actually didn't clean my windshield and my back windshield, whatever you call it, back window. I guess, yeah, that was dumb. It's definitely called the back window. So yeah, I'll do another quick walk around at some point. Definitely when we're walking around doing the shoot and stuff. But I wanted to announce that the car actually hit 50,000 miles recently. I got it on video. I actually probably just upload them anyways because it's a special moment. I put 8,000 plus miles on this thing. It's been a fun, reliable car. Minus when I snapped the axle on the track. That was my fault. What you gonna do? You live and you learn. But otherwise, this thing's been like no problems. Really reliable. All from the bolt-ons, all from the tune. Never had a check engine light. No issues. I love it. It's amazing. Just change your oil. Keep this thing cold. Put an oil cooler on her. Don't get some whack-ass tune. Get a good one from the top guys. You know, like Z1, Admin, Saul, whatever you name it. Martin's good. All those guys. But yeah, you know, AC's on, subwoofers in the back. Really nice, you know, street car, not just a race car. I love this thing. All right, everybody, we're back. We're at the first shooting location. I got the new microphone from the media mod on, so I'm curious to see how it sounds, because I did start the video. Everything before this clip was everything just coming from the raw GoPro camera. Microphone built in, and you can see here's the first background. Gonna get some cool rollers. Thomas is doing his thing. His camera setup's way more intense than mine. It's gonna look good. I told you I'd do a new walk around since I didn't clean the windshield earlier and accidentally did the walk around then. Oh, this is nice. Dude, look at these things. I wonder how the microphone picks up from behind, but damn, dude. This guy drives that thing all the time. See him at the Lamont car shows all the time. You guys are familiar for sure. We're at the new location here. I'm gonna pop the light on, see how that does. Clearly I'm getting some help from the natural light here, but oh yeah, you can see the reflection off the car. That's awesome. Damn, I can already tell from the front facing screen this thing does good in the low light. That's sweet. Of course I had to park next to him because I had an opportunity. That's nuts. I don't think I've ever actually gotten this close to it. It's nice to see all the orange accents like that. This guy keeps it pretty clean for dailying the hell out of it. Side profile of both the Porsche and the Z, super similar. All right, everybody, we are at another shooting location here. You can see behind us we have Thomas setting up over there. Nice, cool little bridge spot. We're gonna do some rollers back and forth here. And honestly, I might take advantage of that little spot there. It's pretty cool. But otherwise, we got another one spot in mind, and we're gonna call it a day for the day side of the shoot, and we'll work on the nighttime side of the shoot soon.
Dude, those looked fucking insane.
That's good, that's good. Hopefully it didn't break your eardrums too bad.
No, dude, I loved it.
I wasn't recording that, but I definitely told them I was gonna be ripping it through here, so you guys will have to see in the video later. That's cool. All right, we got one more spot to go to. We're gonna check it out. All right, we're at their last spot, ideally for the day. And you can see it's a really nice backdrop here so far. Definitely been here before, you guys can remember. We're gonna do some shots next to that wall over there in between, if hopefully we can get back there, because obviously they're working right now. But we do have the backdrop over there, if you guys have seen from the 350 days when I shot with the Clean Culture guys. That was fun. But yeah, we're definitely gonna get some good shots here. Dude, check out this spot. So unfortunately, we couldn't get all the way up back there where we got before because they blocked it off. We tried, but this will still work. Really nice background here. This is gonna be sweet. And then I'm gonna do the classic back up to these garages, probably around the corner here. And I'll probably wrap up the daytime shoot from here. All right, everybody, we're back at the next day here. I wanted to watch all the footage back to make sure it was gonna be enough for like a whole video, and I think it is. I'll definitely make the nighttime shoot a part 2 video. I just wanna say I appreciate you guys as always for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out all my social media platforms. I'm trying to be as active as I can. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.